elevator. Push the elevator. Push it. No, the elevator. You gotta push the elevator. Why not?
Well, push the button. Not that one. The other one. Push the bottom button. There you go. Now I won't know what to do. Oh, it's dinging. Which one was it?
It's none.
See, you broke it. What'd you do? Oh, now it will. Hold you.
Look outside. Why?
Gotta push the button.
Fun.
Push the button. Oh, mommy already pushed the button? Was it scary? Huh?
What?
Don't be scared.
Say bye, get out of my face.
Hey. Bye. Yeah, we're downstairs.